More Earth Science on the way. I'm I'm Mr. Norris from Norris Teaches Science. And in this Earth Science video, we are still talking about meteorology. If this is the first video you've come in contact with, go check out the other ones. But let's talk about today hurricanes. So your goal is I can discuss the formation and results of tropical cyclones, of a tropical cyclone. So what is a hurricane? A hurricane is a whirling tropical cyclone, a low pressure system. Low pressure system. So, if it's a low pressure system, what way does it spin in the northern hemisphere? You need a little hint, look at the GIF to the right. It spins counterclockwise. Now, hurricanes have winds at least 119 kilometers per hour, or that's 73 miles per hour. It's one of the most powerful storms on Earth. Now, the occurrence of hurricanes form between 5 and 20 degrees north and south latitude. They don't form right at the equator, they form right a little off of it. Um, as you can see, hurricanes is the name used in the North Atlantic and right off the coast of North America. Um, the people of Japan use typhoons. You have other places that call them cyclones. But they're all the same, consistent on how they're formed. The season for hurricanes in the North Atlantic starts June 1st and ends November 30th. That's not to say that some of these tropical storms cannot form outside of the season. It's May 21st, 2020, right now when I'm recording this video. And this past weekend, on Monday, there was actually a tropical storm form in May, which is not part of the season, but most hurricanes form then. Actually, most hurricanes, the first peak is in August, and the second peak is in October. The reason why is because takes a while for the warm waters, the waters to warm up. Because remember, water takes a long time to heat up and to cool down. The development of hurricanes, most often in late summer, like I said, August, October is not summer, but it's part of the season. The reason why I know most hurricanes form in August is because my birthday has been canceled most years when I was a kid for a hurricane. The water temperatures must be warm enough, about 80 degrees Fahrenheit, for the necessary moisture and heat in the air, and they do spin counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere. Hurricane intensity. Um, when you look at hurricane intensity, you have to look at the storm surge. This is dome of water that sweeps across the coast. It's caused wind pushed. We also categorized it on the Saffir Simpson scale, which is based off wind speed, but there's a big correlation between pressure and wind speed. As you can look over here, category one has a pressure of 180 plus, while say a category 5, which has wind speeds of a 156 or more, can will have a pressure lower than 100 than 920 millibars. Basically, what it means is as the pressure goes down, the intensity of the storm goes up, and because of that, when we get more winds, we get stronger storm surge. So you can look at this and see strong the stronger the category, the lower the pressure, the higher the wind speed, the higher the storm surge. Now, there are hurricane watches and hurricane warnings. Um, a watch means you could see hurricane related hazards within 48 hours. And a hurricane warning means you could see hurricane winds within 36 hours. There's also tropical storm watches and tropical storm warnings. They're related to hurricanes as well because it goes a tropical low, then a tropical depression, then a tropical storm, then you get a hurricane. But I hope you learned a little bit today about hurricanes that you did not already know. I live on the East Coast, so we get hurricanes every once in a while. Past times we've been getting hurricanes, we've been out of school for like 10 days. But I hope you learned something today. I'm Mr. Norris, and I'm out for this video.